I'm going to start gig vlog number 2 by apologising for gig vlog number 2. Last night we played in Kiwis in Cardiff. Nothing went according to plan at all. It was a Welsh international match as well as being Bonfire night. So town was absolutely mental, crazy. All of the shots and everything that I wanted to do became impossible to do. Just the load-in took so long and everything. I've tried my best to cobble something together for you guys to see, and hopefully it will it'll be something worth watching. So the first place we start is with Matthew loading the band van early in the afternoon because he had booked a firework display for his children. This is gig vlog number 2. It is started early. What time is it, Matthew?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock in the afternoon. Matthew has sort of somehow made a snafu. We're going to just go straight to a really awesome time lapse of Matthew packing the band van.
Time lapsing.
A broken fable, the soulwood table, and the work keeps limping along. The cat keeps grinning and the birds keep singing, but they won't be winning for long.
Until later, isn't it?
Yeah. Filming for the vlog.
For the what?
For the vlog.
Take a walk on the sunny side. Everybody knows that it's just my foolish pride. Stand your ground, you can run and hide. Everybody knows that it's just my foolish pride.
Cardiff.
As soon as I wake up, I will come to you. As soon as we make up, I will see things through, because it's not the way for me to prescribe how things will be. But I can tell you this for free: I'll change, you'll see. I'll change, you'll see.
There he is. Alright, you've got the stand case left. What's that? Yeah. So guys, peace out. See you next time. Whoosh. Come on in. Let's get out of here. St. Mary Street, Saturday night, Bonfire night, match day, glutton for punishment. I don't want to swear on my vlog.
All out in the night out, the jolly all dayers. We've given up everything. All this sort of joy is going on in South Wales Valleys right now, right? We're walking on St. Mary Street at 1 in the morning, carrying this lump back the van. Yeah?
See, I'm doing the heavy lifting, I'm carrying the camera. Got the bin! Should have a selfie with the bin, like.
There it is. All we got to do is unload the car, reload the car, and you pick a tree and leave.
We are parked in the scariest alley in Cardiff. This is where we've parked with all our expensive music technology gear.
See? Because I came here straight from a fireworks display in Swansea with the kids. We left their toys in the car.
Their toys?
Well,
Their toys or Matthew's toys?
particularly like this toy.
3, 2, 1. Here it goes. Or not. Hey! There we are. Almost no gig footage at all, but we got Matthew and his remote control car, and Gavin's got work in the morning, and it's like 10 to 1 or something. Isn't that right, Gav? Gavin, don't say much.
Not seeing that, boys. Seeing that gig list.
Can we load the rest of the gear out now, please?
We'll get the rest of the gear. There it is.
Gavin, rock and roll. Whitney, it's been emotional. Boom.
I'm going to go back across here again.
No. Winter is coming. In Kidwelly, the day afterwards, because I didn't have bonfire night with my boy and little girl last night. This is how we do things. Bonfire night is tonight, November the 6th for us. So down in Kidwelly with their grandparents, and we're going to shoot some fireworks off later and have our own bonfire night on a different day. One of the things that was a shame about last night was didn't get any live footage of the band playing together. Now I wanted, with this vlog, every week I want to have something of us actually, or me playing live, not just recorded music. I think that's quite important for me to do. So I recorded a little bit of music here in Kidwelly. We just had a quick go out the back, trying out the new cameras and stuff. I'm a bit squinty-eyed in it. I should have put some sunglasses on like I've done right now. But yeah, we're gonna give, let's give that a go.
If I live to see tomorrow, I will come find you. I beg or steal and I borrow what I can to tide me through. I don't care what they say about me. I'm falling down today. La da da da. Don't care what they think about me. I can always say there's no hope for me, no hope for you, no hope for me, no hope for you.
Kidwelly is awesome. Sun's gone down now. We're gonna have our fireworks show in a little bit. Our post bonfire night firework display. That's it for the vlog this week. I hope you've enjoyed. Even though it didn't quite go to plan. Might have something special ready for next week, and see you then. We call that a David Cameron. Okay. An alien, is it?
Yeah, the green face.
Fire thing.
Yeah, we tried to think.
That's called an Ian Duncan Smith.
Yes!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What?
There's a wild dragonite.
Really? Let me see it. Let me see it. Right here is a dragonite. We're catching a wild dragonite.
He's gonna flee.
No, he's not.
He's gonna fled.
He's not.
Oh, you fled.
I told
Daddy.
you. I told
That's
you.
your fault. You shouldn't have said that. You were...
Like that. Finale.